Longevity motivators, baby.
The upcoming film, Springsteen, Deliver Me from Nowhere, promises to illuminate an extraordinary and lesser-known chapter in Bruce Springsteen's legendary career. Set against the stark, introspective backdrop of 1982, this biopic explores the compelling story behind Springsteen's haunting album, Nebraska, recorded solo on a humble 4-track cassette in the intimacy of his New Jersey bedroom.
The acoustics of this room.
Not bad. The orange shag carpet makes it really dead. There's not a lot of echo, so...
Not just beautiful to look at.
Not only was it beautiful, it came in handy.
One of rock's biggest stars sat in this bedroom alone and sang.
The film's beating heart is Jeremy Allen White.
Of the real deal. You're going from the bear of red to the boss?
I think so. I hope so. Yeah, it's coming together. Yeah. I picked up the guitar as soon as I started even talking to Scott, about it. Yeah, I picked up the guitar. I've been trying to learn there. Trying to get my voice right, or even see if my voice can do that. You know. I'm doing everything I can. Yeah.
Tell me this, and I'll let you go. Is there a performance that you watch and you're like, okay, if I can get this one, if I can come close to this, if I can breathe this air, we might be able to pull this off in a major way?
A performance of Bruce's, you mean?
Of Bruce's, yeah.
Yeah, there's a performance of him doing I'm on Fire, which is so beautiful. And I don't know if I'll need to perform that particular song, but there's something about his essence, his energy. I think there's just so much of him in there that I think there's a lot to pull from, regardless of the performance itself. I think he's a performer that lets people in and lets you know who he is. And so, yeah, there's a lot of stuff I can watch.
Fresh from his Emmy-winning turn in The Bear, who slips into Bruce Springsteen's denim jacket with an uncanny, lived-in ease, White reportedly spent months haunting the boardwalks of Asbury Park at dawn, driving Springsteen's own vintage '57 Chevy and studying unreleased rehearsal tapes to perfect that unmistakable rasp. Crew members whisper that even between takes, he kept a battered notebook of Springsteen's lyrics in his back pocket, scribbling observations about posture, breath control, and the quiet hesitations Bruce uses to let a line linger. Set for theatrical release on October 24, 2025, Springsteen, Deliver Me from Nowhere offers audiences more than the typical music biopic experience. It captures a pivotal, solitary snapshot of a man on the brink of greatness, wrestling quietly yet fiercely with his own vulnerabilities and ambitions. The film is poised to deliver a powerful, emotionally charged exploration of one of rock's greatest legends at his most personal and introspective.